come to AI. Now, AI is another field which is emerging today. The most important considerations that, okay, guys, first of all, so do you know what machine learning is? Has anyone heard the term machine learning? And if yes, please include a short description of machine learning is. Yes, it's the mind of the AI. Yes, so absolutely. जैसे कोई बच्चा होता है and बच्चे को धीरे धीरे सिखाना पड़ता है कि किस चीज के बारे में क्या सोचें, किस चीज के बारे में क्या बोलें. तो similarly, machines have to be taught the same thing if you want them to be intelligent. So the process by which that happens is called machine learning. और machine learning कैसे होगी? A coder will have to sit and write code. A developer will have to program that code into the machine. You need data to feed into the machine to make it learn. And then you need further data that the machine will actually analyze to give you an output. So that is the most simplified basic version of how machine learning and artificial intelligence will operate. So when you talk about machine learning, the most important question that arises is that who owns it? Who owns the profits that the machine learning or the AI invention will create? Because there are so many players involved. There is the owner of the computer resource. There is the person who is writing the code. There is the person who is programming that code into the machine. There is a person who is providing electricity and various things that are supporting in nature. So who actually owns profits arising from out of that? So that is a very important question that remains to be answered in India. We will take one step further and say we have a artificial intelligence machine that is ready. Say I trained my machine learning model on paintings and now my robot or my machine can make painting itself. Who will own that painting? Will the machine own it? Will I own it? Or will all of those people that I listed before, will any of those people own it? So there are very pertinent questions arising out of the field of machine learning, and it becomes important to consider how these will be protected, whether a patent, whether a copyright, whether as a trade secret. And these are various aspects that will slowly be answered. AI. Murari ji asks, what is the role of legal in ML? So machine learning is actually revolutionizing the legal tech industry. So there are softwares out there such as SpotDraft, such as Clio, that are actually automating the process of creating contracts. And you do not have to spend as much time. Say a typical contract would easily take around 3 to 4 hours to draft from scratch, and you did not spend that amount of time to create that contract. There are other AIs that are doing litigation prediction. They're doing litigation management. So these are some aspects, that legal aspects in context of artificial.
So KPMG has done a report on how legal profession will get revolutionized by 2025. उसमें वो बोल रहे हैं कि CLM, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लाइफ साइकिल मैनेजमेंट सॉफ्टवेयर सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होगा लीगल इंडस्ट्री के लिए, एंड दैट CLM विल वर्क प्राइमरीली ऑन डेटा, AI एंड मशीन लर्निंग. ओके, तो अगर आपको लीगल टेक में काम करना है, ओके, लीगल टेक इंडस्ट्री मतलब जो ये सॉफ्टवेयर्स बना रहे हैं कॉन्ट्रैक्ट लाइफ साइकिल मैनेजमेंट के, या आपको ये सॉफ्टवेयर इंप्लीमेंट करना है किसी कंपनी के लिए, ओके, यू आर इन अ कंपनी वेयर यू गोइंग टू यूज दिस सॉफ्टवेयर, you must understand how it's working. Okay, the legal profession will require us in 2025 and beyond to be familiar with this. Okay, even if we don't specifically code, हमें ये समझ आना चाहिए कि मशीन लर्निंग से सॉफ्टवेयर ऐसे चल रहा है एंड दिस इज हाउ वी कैन अप्लाई इट टू लॉ. और आपको इन हाउस काउंसिल बनना है या बिजनेस रोल करना है लीगल टेक कंपनी में, तो दैट ऑप्शन इज तो अवेलेबल. Lawyers won't be redundant, lawyers will be needed to do that work.